Christmas. So it's Christmas, but it's not Christmas dinner. So the age-old question is in front of us. What do you eat?
Well, ask me what my favourite food is.
What's your favourite food?
Sandwiches. Now ask me what time of year is my favourite.
What's your favourite time of year? Christmas. So this is a compilation of our favourite Christmas sandwiches.
Vegan turkey sandwiches, perfect for Boxing Day.
That sounds incredible.
First up, we're going to take our jackfruit that we've washed under cold water. We are going to season it with a plethora of dried herbs. Sage, rosemary, bit of salt, bit of pepper. Super, super Christmassy.
Jackfruit doesn't have a lot of flavour, but it takes on flavour incredibly. Now, if you haven't heard of jackfruit, fear not, because we're going to tell you all about it.
It is the world's largest tree-borne fruit. It's equatorial in growing space.
Good word.
Yeah, equatorial. It's super nutritious, and the fantastic thing about it is the fibrous texture when you bake it. This tin just needs to now go into the oven for a total of 40 minutes, but you need to turn them halfway through.
We're going to get on to Ian's idea, which is the chestnut puree, or is it a spread?
Or is it a stuffing? It could be one of the three. All you really need for this is 1 pack of vacuum packed chestnuts that you can get from any decent supermarket, along with a little bit of dairy-free butter and a little bit of salt. Whiz it all up and it will be really crumbly. But this is where the magic happens. Pour out the crumbs into a bowl, push them down, and they turn into this butter-like texture. It's fantastic.
It's going to add an incredible flavour to this sandwich. Very Christmassy. It makes perfect sense. Look at this jackfruit. Smells incredible. I feel like it's Christmas already.
All you need to do here now is take 2 forks and split the fibres to make that fantastic meaty texture. Mate, can't wait to eat this. I'm not lying. It's going to be so tasty. Yeah?
Oh, it's so good. Now it's the most exciting bit. Time to build our Christmas sandwich.
Now you can build your sandwich any way you like, but this is how we like to build ours. Egg-free mayonnaise, cranberry sauce for that tanginess, chestnut spread to give it that nice earthy nuttiness, lettuce for vegan sausages, and then the pied de resistance.
Pied de resistance, the jackfruit.
Yes, the turkey jackfruit. It's an absolute revelation. You are going to love it.
This is what Christmas looks like in a completely plant-based sandwich.
Right. Oh my God.
Really good. Wow.
That's so good.
It's wonderful. It's Christmas in a sandwich. It's Bosch's vegan turkey sandwich. we're going to be cooking you
a sumptuous Christmas burger.
sounds fantastic. It's got your favourite veggie burger, plus a stuffing patty, Brussels sprouts, and all of the flavours of Christmas.
And if you like this video, you should subscribe to the channel because we've got loads more videos just like this coming your way soon. That's so good.
It's incredible. Wow. Our Christmas burger with a stuffing patty, Brussels sprouts, and a little bit of cranberry.
I reckon that stuffing patty made it.
Oh, it's so good, so Christmassy. That's going to be the perfect thing for you to eat in that little bit of time between Christmas and New Year and use up your leftovers. Wow, didn't that look incredible? Ian, do you know who invented the sandwich?
Who?
The Earl of Sandwich.
Well, I'm sure he would be proud with that selection.
We hope you loved them all. That was our Christmas sandwich selection. We will see you next time.
See you later.